Hello, good morning. Nasaan tayo ngayon, Sam? We are in?
Ocean Park!
Okay. Are you excited?
Yeah!
Alright. Oh, come on. Let's go. Where are you? Come on. Go there. Come on. Sige. Wow, daming kalorin sa mo. Yung look sa ano, di sa labas oh, merong ano, may dagat oh. Come on. Okay, let's eat muna, Sam, no? Sam, are we going to eat first? Before playing, ha? Are you excited? Where are we? Anong wala? Wow, dagat yan na, Sam. You call it sea. Sam, you call it sea. Sea. Which one? White one? I don't know. Ah, floating, that's a buoyant. Buoyant. Are you excited na, Sam? Okay na, let's go. Go with mommy. Which one your favorite? 11. What is 11? The killer whale. Let's go. Wow. 28, 23, 28, 30 is, oh look at the number, what's the number 30? 30, squid, calamares, oh let's go na, okay, run. So big fish! Ano kaya yan? Wow! Ang ganda ng timing natin, wala tayong masyadong nakasabay. No, I don't think they're sleeping. Sige na, go to mommy. Do not get spun. You need to be excited. Excited ka nga dapat, oh. Saan? Yeah, smiling, Sam. How about you, Sam? How about the big one? Where's the big one? Oh, ulamin natin yan. You want ulam? Sab, tira mo, laki ng bibig ng ano pala dito. Open yung mouth niya, ang laki. Ang laki ng mouth niya, ina. Ayun oh, ang laki oh. Bago tayo umalis, so sayang naman oh. Kaya pala walang tao na Sam, kaya pala walang tao dahil mayroon na palang show, 12:30 daw. Wow, anong color ng koi fish? What's the color? Hindi si Nemo, iba pa si Nemo. Wow, nasa loob na kami ng dark area. Look! Anong ginagawa mo dyan sa amin? Why are you hiding? Ito sa mga cute. Oh, mga ila. So cute. Ang cute. So cute. Ang cute naman eh. Hmm? So cute nga eh, oh. Oh, it's like a worm. Ang cute, ang liit ng mga il. Do you like it, Sam? So cutie. Spaghetti. Spaghetti pa. Spaghetti pa. Sa kabila naman. Ano naman meron sa kabila? Untuk guys. How about daddy? Oh. Wow, ang ganda sa loob oh. Look at the coral. Wow! Sam! Ayun, submarine oh! Submarine! Ilang kilo kaya itong mga to? Ulihin na natin to, Sam. So big fish. Wow, giant, trevally. Talakita pa yan, oh. Sam, hide behind, mommy's back. Oh. Ito sa mo. Wee! Ulamin natin yan. Wow! Aquarium, no? A huge aquarium. Ayan, nasa mo? You call this long bean banner fish pala yun. Long fin pala. Oh, come on. Ayan, nasa mo? Big aquarium. Come on. Nasaan yung mga fish? Smile. Enjoy ka ba, Sam? Or are you getting scared? Brave. Okay. Come on, ang daming manliit na fish, Sam. Come on. Come on. Sige, come on. Come on. Come on. Where's the stingray? Ayun, yung stingray. Come Come on, sige, I will just take a video of you. Come on. Wow, smile. Sam, look. Happy? Come on, sige lang. Oh, enjoy the ano lang, the aquarium. She swim away. You want to see her? Probably she will be back. Come on, sige lang. You want to swim there? Oh, Stingray is coming. Oh. Hi, Stingray. Oh, do not run away. Come on, come towards to her. Oh. Inside naman siya, oh. Come on. Wow, she's looking at you. Yeah, pointy. Come on, oh. Lapit. Wow. Do you like it? Di ba, di naman scary? Wala namang ginawa, eh, diba? Yan dapat brave, no? Go! Whee! Ayun, pasa mo. Wow. Ang daming fish na mo. Follow the stingray, come on. Sige, follow the stingray. Happy? Yeah, you can follow. Come on, go. Go to Ami. Smile lang to kay Mami. Woo! Smile. Don't be afraid. Sige na, go. Lapit, come on. Get near na sa stingray.
Can I see my picture of the stingray?
Don't be afraid. Adjust na siya. Si Mami, enjoy ka? Ayun, paso. You like it? It's going towards you. It's coming. Wow, you like it? Hindi ka na scared? Enjoy ka sa? Uy, enjoy solo, stingray. Next aquarium na tayo. Next aquarium. Come on. You want to stand up here?
What story? Oh, okay. Bye-bye. Stingray. Wow.
Bulat ka. Parang penguin. Asa? Parang mag-penguin. Ay, hindi ko nakita si shark. Hawak ulit sa shark, Sam. Kuya, pahawak ulit ng ano. Come on, touch it, come on. Come on, touch again, Sam. Sige, touch it. Hey, you like it? Ang bilis. Sam, gusto mo ba mag-swimming dyan? Anong hawak mo kanina? Ano yung hinawakan mo kanina? Ha? It's a shark? You touch a shark? Anong gusto mo i-feed? What are you looking at? Ayun o, baby shark o. Ang hawak ako ni Kuya. Oh, penguin museum naman. Wow, sa penguin na tayo, Sam. Come on, doon sila sa penguin, oh. Come on, let's go here. Come on, go there. Isa na, dito, Sam. Dito na. Dito. Basta na si penguin. Wala na. Where are you? Part of the skin. Ayan na, nag-jump sila. Ayan na, Sam. Look. Nagulat ako. Sam, look. Hindi dyan, dito. Dyan. Where's the... Oh, there's the penguin. Mo ng ano, toy. Which one do you like? Anong gusto mong bilhin? Which one do you like? Nemo or Stingray? Ha? Stingray. Nasa Stingray? Nasa Stingray? Oh, Sam, enjoy ka ba? Enjoy? Layo mo naman. Oh, tapos na kami dun sa aquarium. Diba? O scenario ba tawag ka? Matawag mo? Oh. Sama ng favorite mo? Ba? Ano favorite mo? Or? Ano meron ka? Wow, stuffed toy Stingray yan. Wow. Ano, nag-enjoy ka ba? Hindi pa tayo tapos, may show pa mamaya, okay? Oh. Let's go, lalabas na muna tayo. Exit na tayo, ha? Come on, let's go. Exit na muna. Sama iguana. Iguana. Ano ang iguana sa reptile? Or amphibian. Come on, si Mami oh. Come on. Si Daddy nandito rin oh. Yeah. Touch the turtles, come on. No? You can touch the water. Come on, touch the turtles, come on. Wow. Come on, enjoy the turtles, come on. Haba ng neck. Sam, happy? Sam, happy kid? Happy? Ano favorite mo? Ano favorite mo? Let's go. Where are we going now? Sam, where are we going? To the show. Let's go to the show na. Come on, go to Mami. So, dito na kami sila sa attraction. Mapunta namin sa mismong show. Yari pala kami dito. Sobrang init ah. 4:30 daw ang show. Ano also ba? 4 o'clock. So, init. Count. Basta may lilim. Basta may lilim. Hello. Saan na tayo ngayon? Hintay tayo ng 30 minutes for that. Anong show yan? CSC Live Show.
No way.
Huh? Wait. Oh? Ano yung mag-film ba?
Why should I wait?
Because the show starts 4:30 p.m. Walang tao masyado, konti lang. Mas maganda nga yung 12:30, no? Kaya pala. Kaya pala. Basta kapag mga first timer, hindi alam. Hindi alam kung ano mas magandang ano, yung show, yung talagang concert. Pipicture natin si Mami. Masama ka. What? Si Mami lang. Tama na, swimming na. Baka mahulog, huwag mong ilahin. Ay, baka mahulog. So init! We're getting toasted. Cooking. Oh no, before mag-start, sobrang init na. Wala na tayong kalabit dito. Lahat lumipat na sa baba. So hot now. Kaya wala at ang mga tao ngayon, naglipatan na sa baba. Sobrang init.
So guys, do you have any idea whether gold beam feathers put in marine mammals? Any ladies, do you have feathers? The answer is no fact. They can appear to be flying over the water as we swim on this hand. And that is the fine demonstration. How about rumblers or sea lion red?
Nagka-cloud. Wow. Sam, tanga. Enjoy ka? Hindi ka nag-enjoy? Grabe ah. Kaya tuntua ka para kay Stingray. Basta si Stingray. Babay na, sabi mo, babay na. Babay vlog. Babay vlog. Bye-bye. Okay. Let's go, babay na. Cover the ano na.